In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change skin in Minecraft with Google. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Changing your Minecraft skin is incredibly simple, and you will be able to use Google to get it done. So when you go inside of the Minecraft launcher, you can go over to the Skins tab, and in here, choose the option to create a new skin. So you can create presets and switch between them. So you can click on Use on any of these, and it is going to be applied right away. When you click on New Skin, you will notice that you have to give it a name, you can choose a cape, but most importantly, you have to upload the skin file. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to find skin files to use. There are plenty of websites where you can find these skin files, but the one that I recommend is NameMC. In here, you can choose skins at the top and then browse through trending skins. So you have the ones that are trending on the daily, weekly, monthly, and then the top of all time. You have tagged, new, and then random, so you can choose any of these. When you find a specific skin that you like, you can select it and download to upload on the launcher. So let's say, for example, I want to use this skin here, so I'll click on it and then click on this little download button. They have some tools as well that allow you to invert the colors, change the hue, and other options, which might give new life to a specific skin that you found. So as you can see, it can look quite different if you invert the colors and so on. So just find a specific one that you like. Once you have downloaded this skin, then you can go back inside of the Minecraft launcher and choose the option here, new skin, give it a name. So I'm just going to name this one 123. You can choose between the slim or wide models, which the main difference is going to be the arms, and then you just browse through the files on your computer. So find the specific skin that you've downloaded and open the PNG. So as you can see here, the skin loaded. Save, and it is going to be available for you to use. So next time that you go inside of the game, either single player or multiplayer, this skin will be displayed to others, and all that you need to do is use NameMC on Google. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.